The self-supporting gate opening automation kit is equipped with a 350 watt motor that can open or close gates with a maximum weight of 800 kilograms. The PNI AP800C gate automation kit includes all the components necessary for the commissioning of a practical access control system: motor, warning lamp, 2 photo cells, 6 meters of rack, wheel kit and mounting accessories kit. The gate can be opened and closed from the remote control or other access control devices such as access buttons or access keyboards that can be connected to the system. To avoid accidents, 2 levels of sensitivity can be set, high and low. If the gate is closing or opening and encounters an obstacle, the engine will stop. You can program the gate to close automatically after a certain number of seconds, 10, 30 or 60. You can also program condo mode that allows simultaneous control over multiple access devices. In condominium mode, when the gate is open, if you press the buttons on the remote control or another connected access terminal, access button or access keyboard, they will not work until the gate is fully open. When the gate is closed, if the buttons on the remote control or on another connected access terminal are pressed, the gate will stop and open completely, allowing access.